Good evening, everybody. This is Pawan Kumar Singh. Today in our class, we are going to organize Jam Round. First of all, I would like to say you what is Jam Round. Jam Round, that means just a minute. In this round, a student is given 3, 4, 5 or more than 5 topics together and they are given chance to speak 1 minute with one topic. So now we are going to start our round. To start our round, I would like to invite Mr. Anand at first. Please clap for him. So Mr. Anand, your first topic is Bihar.
Yes, sir. Respected sir, my dear friends, very very good evening to all of you. Today my topic is Bihar. As we know that friends, in India there are 28 states and 8 union territory, and the Bihar is one of them. And Bihar is a landlocked state where in eastern India, and the Bihar length is 345 kilometer and the width is 483 kilometer. And the current CM of Bihar is Nitish Kumar, and the governor is the Arif Muhammad Khan. And in Bihar there are so many places where we can visit, as like the Tutla Bhavani, Tara Chandi, Mundeswari, and there are so many places. And the Bihar is a state where the third rank of the population people lives in Bihar, and the 12th largest population, 12th largest area covered by the Bihar. And in Bihar we can say that the Bihar is that place where the Buddhism get knowledge, and Buddhism get knowledge, and the Jainism also, where the 24 Tirthankars are active here.
Okay, Anand, your 1 minute is completed. Now your second topic is cricket.
Thank you, sir. And my second topic is cricket. As we know that friends, there are two types of games: indoor games and the outdoor games. And cricket is one of them. And cricket is the outdoor games. In cricket, there are the two teams. Each players have the 11 player. Each team has the 11 players. And we can say that England is the father of the cricket. And in cricket, there are the three formats. As the first one is ODI, second is the T20, and third is the Test. Test played 90 overs, ODI plays 50 overs, T20 plays 20 overs. And there are so many leagues are also available, as we can say that PSL, IPL, and there are so many famous players as like Virat Kohli, we can say that the run machine Kohli, every de Villiers, 360-degree players. And in India also win the World Cup two times, in 1983 the captaincy of the Kapil Dev, and 2011 the captaincy of the MS Dhoni. And in tomorrow, yesterday, Indian women also win the World Cup. And
Okay, Anand, your second topic is completed. Now I would like to provide the third topic. Third last topic is defense sector.
thank you, sir. My third last topic is the defense sector. As we can say that there are so many, there are in every country have the defense sectors, as like to protect our the citizens. And in India there are the three types of the defense sector. First one is Indian Army, Indian Navy, and the Air Force. And in Indian Army, the highest rank is the general, and in Navy we can say that the admiral post is the highest rank, and the Air Force is the marshal, and the CDS of the general is the Anil Chauhan. And our soldiers fight so many wars, and they are the very brave, and they are the very brave to the country for our. And that's
Okay.
all.
It was a nice performance by Anand Kumar because he spoke 3 minutes, 3 topic. Do you know Jam Round? This is connected to enhance your fluency. So we are working over our fluencies. Okay, once again, a nice clap for Anand. Thank you. Now after Anand, I would like to call Mr. Rishabh. Please come out. Clap for Rishabh. Okay, Rishabh, your first topic is importance of English.
Thank you, sir. Good evening. Good afternoon to all of you. Today I am going to tell you about electricity, importance of English. So as you all know that there are many languages in the world, like Spanish, French, and one of them is English. English is very important in the world, because when we speak English, then no one will not ask to you how much degree have you, and English is international language in the world. Whenever you travel one place to another place in foreign country, then English is very important. And in our country, our Indian students go for higher education in foreign country due to English. And there are mainly two types of English. First is British English, and second is American English. Most of the Indians used to American English, and they follow it. And
Rishabh, your second topic is shoes.
thank you, sir. As you all know that I am going to tell you about the essential goods in our life. So first is food, water, and etc. And shoes is one of them. And I am going to let's talk about the importance of shoes. So shoes are protector of our foot. And it supports all living our foods. And shoes protects us from injury and from joint pain, and it supports all of work like in running, walking, and working, etc. There are many companies who make shoes like Puma, Adidas, and etc. And there are many variety of shoes like in color such as black, blue, grey, white, and etc. And I'm going to tell you about shoes is that type of footwear which enhances our personality and show our status. And
Okay, Rishabh, your second topic is finished now. Now, third and last topic is electricity. Speak about electricity.
And thank you, sir. And my third topic is electricity. As we all know that in our earth, human is going in very technology, and then we can see electricity is very important, and the SI unit of electricity is ampere. And we can see fan, cooler, AC, which is running by electricity, and electricity passes from the wire, and they are made by copper. And sometimes electricity is dangerous for us, because when we touch it then on wire, then it harms our body posture. And electricity is uses in any places like school, coaching, etc. And
Rishabh, you have tried nicely. With 3 minutes, you have spoken 3 topics. As we have seen that Rishabh is a kids of our class, and he is only a student of class 6. Now he is trying well and speaking well. So clap for Rishabh effort. Thank you. Now, after Rishabh, I would like to call Miss Jinath. Please come on. Jinath, first topic I would like to give you water. Speak about water.
Respected sir and all media friends, good evening to all of you. Today my first topic is water. Water is one of the most important gift of our nature. It is the source of all lives on earth. Water is very useful for our daily life, such as drinking, cooking, bathing, and all types of work. We use also water. Water is important for agriculture. Without water, it is not possible to grow crops. Water is also needed in industrial area. Water plays most important role in electricity production. Our earth is surrounded by 71% of water. There are many sources of water on our earth like rivers, ponds, lakes, oceans, etc. But today people are wasting and polluting it without the thinking of the future. So let's all use of water carefully and spread awareness to protect it, because water is life.
Nice effort, Zena. Your second topic is food. Speak about food.
Thank you. My second topic is food. As you know, we are human beings, and food is one of the essential needs. It gives us to energy, work, play, and think. Without food, life cannot exist here. There are mainly two types of food: vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarian food comes from plants. It includes fruit, grains, vegetable fruit. It gives us vitamins and minerals. Non-vegetarian foods comes from animal. It gives like fish, chicken, eggs, etc. It gives us protein, which helps to make our body strong. Both food are good if we eat them properly, but we should avoid eating too much junk food.
Okay, Zina, your second topic time is also over. Now your third topic is reservation.
Thank you, sir. My last topic is reservation. Reservation is a facility which is given from government on the basis of caste or gender. It is given for job, study, or any other post. Before independence, there was a huge discrimination among Indian people due to caste. Forward caste people hated backward caste people. Forward caste people oppressed and tortured backward caste people. Backward caste people were not allowed to go to temple to take water from where to study. After independence, reservation was applied in our constitution. Due to reservation, many people from backward caste got job and improved their living standard. Now there is no discrimination among Indian people. All people live together, and all people live happily. Our dream should be build a country where everyone treated equally and.
Okay, Zina, you have tried very nicely and you have spoken all three topics in well manner. Thank you, Zina, and please clap for her. Now this is the time to call someone else whose name is Priyanshu. So Priyanshu, please come up. Clap for Priyanshu. Priyanshu, first topic which I would like to give you, that is money. Speak about money.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Priyanshu. I'm coming from, my topic is money. Money is one of the most important thing of our daily life. It is used to buy fruits, buy house, and many more things. Without money, it is.
Without money you cannot buy anything.
Without money, you cannot buy anything and live a single day. Money is important for money is important for us. It is.
This is a helpful thing for us.
This is a helpful for us and.
Okay, don't worry, Priyanshu. It happens when we try to speak something and suddenly our topic is given to us to speak. Sometimes our mind is blank. So I would like to suggest, don't give up there. Try to raise your sentence, try to find out your sentences from anywhere. This is not necessary that whatever you want to say, that word or that sentence exactly comes to your mind. So try to go in another way, like Priyanshu just trapped here to speak, continue about the money. So he can say the usage of money, he can say the type of money like plastic money, distance money, cash, etc. He can also say why people are fighting together, why people are earning, why they are learning. It's all because of money. So Priyanshu, this is a lesson for you that don't try to give up. When you trap yourself, try to find out the sentence from anywhere, and you can add that sentence in your speech. Okay, Priyanshu, once again I would like to give you a chance with the next topic, and your next topic will be pollution.
Pollution means making our environment dirty and harmful. It happen. We make our environment dirty. Pollution. There are three types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Air pollution is caused by smoke, vehicles, and factories. Water pollution water pollution happens when we throw the garbage and chemicals in river and pond. Soil pollution is caused by it is used too much fertilizer and plastic, and pollution is affect our health and disbalance to nature. Disbalance to nature. It affects our lungs and
Damage our body parts.
damage our
even
body
the-
parts and we should take care of our environment for pollution.
Okay, Priyanshu, your last topic is Earth. So try to speak in a well manner. If you want to take time, you can take 5 to 10 seconds to think about this topic. Your last topic is Earth.
There are total eight planets in our solar system. Earth is one of them where we live. It is our home planet. It gave us everything like air to breathe, water to drink, land to live, and food to eat. It covered by ocean, mountain, forest, and desert. Our planet is very beautiful and full of natural resources. But nowadays, humans are harming our natural resources like polluting air, water, and soil. It is become difficult for environment. It is coming difficult for plants and animals to survival. So we should take care of our planet to save water and reduce pollution and use eco-friendly products. Thank you.
Okay, Priyanshu. First of all, I would like to say something. As you have said that Priyanshu came and tried to speak 3 topics in 3 minutes. But sometimes he got some sentences, what to speak, how to speak. Sometimes he was trapped. So it happens. This is natural. This is naturally. So don't fear, don't be hesitated. Try to come out from these all types of problems. So we hope that next time Priyanshu will do better than it. And it was okay. From my side, it was okay. Did you like or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Priyanshu. Take your seat. After Priyanshu, I would like to call Miss Rupal. Please come on. So Rupal, your first topic should be house.
Okay, sir. Honorable sir and all my dear friends, a very lovely good evening to all. Today I have come here for my topic, and my first topic is house. So as we know that there are 3 basic needs of human being like food, shelter, and clothes. House is one of them. House is a place where we live with our family members, where we feel safe, happy, and relaxed. There are 2 types of house. First one is mud house, and second one is brick built house. There are many uses of house, like first one is house protect us from rain, sun, heat, wind, wild animals and thieves and many unwanted things. House is the permanent living of human beings, not only for the human beings, it is for the insects, for the animals also. Nowadays people are living in rent house, and for living in the rent house they pay money to their owners. Bungalows, apartments, buildings, these all are also kind of house. Where people live, where big celebrities live and survive their life. House is a very helpful to us. There are many parts in our house like bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, etc.
Okay, Rupal, your second topic is global warming. Speak about global warming.
Thank you, sir. My second topic is global warming. As we know that in our environment there are many problems exist, as like deforestation, pollution, climate change, etc. Global warming is one of them. Firstly, what is global warming? Global warming is the rise in the Earth's temperature due to the excessive greenhouse effect of like CO2 in the atmosphere. There are many causes of global warming in our environment, as like cutting down of trees, using fossil fuels like oil, petroleum, diesels, etc. And also lots of uses of electricity, like in the we can take the example of the summer season when we use AC, cooler, fridge, which releases harmful gases, which leads to the global warming. But we can take small steps to reduce the global warming in our environment, like planting more and more trees, using public transport, and using wind and solar energy also.
Very nicely performed by Rupal. So third topic now. Third topic for Rupal, that is pen.
Thank you, sir. My third topic is pen. As we know that we all are students here. As a students, there are many stationery products are available in market as like book, copy, pen, pencil, etc. Pen is one of them. The main work of pen is to writing, and there are lots of varieties of pens are available in market as like ink pen, gel pen, ball pen, highlighter pens, and every pen has their specific use. And mostly students use blue and black pen for completing their homeworks, for making their assignments, projects, etc. And teacher use red pen for checking the homework of the students, for making the papers of examination paper of the students. And pen is very helpful for the other in other fields also, like in the office, in the school, in the colleges. And pen has many uses also. By the help of pen, we can write any poem, stories, and those who are a writer, it is a very important, essential thing for the writer.
Okay, Rupal. Time for your topic is over now. So Rupal has performed very nicely and she has spoke all three topics in well manner. So please clap for Rupal. Thank you for everything they said. As you have seen, our students are going one by one, and through the jam round, they are trying to get their fluency. It doesn't matter who is good or who is not good, because all who are coming here and who are trying to get their fluency, mistakes happens because mistakes are the part of learning. So it was all about from our side from today's class. Now I would like to finish our class. Before finishing our class, I would like to give thanks to all who are completely and daily watching us and supporting us. Thank you. Thank you everybody.